Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver HP EliteBook 850 G7. Okay, so open any browser, search as it is same to Google search box. Okay, and go to HP officially website, which is support.hp.driver. Okay, so right click to new tab. Slope down. If you want to change the operating system, so okay, and then update. When you search on Windows, so come this view. Okay, and then click to choose OS, select OS which is required Windows 10 64 and like. Okay, perfect. Then next, this is BIOS, diagnostic, dark audio, chipset, keyboard, mouse, network and firmware and all. So guys, lot of driver are available. If you install basic drivers like first audio, second chipset, third graphic, fourth keyboard mouse, fifth network, only 5 driver required. So first I install network. So first on Bluetooth driver. Okay, this is downloading. Again guys, come to download window, so click to download and this install the Bluetooth driver to, click to yes, then next, I accept, again next, finish. So installations process almost same. Okay, then again extract network driver, Bluetooth is complete, this is Wi-Fi driver, just click to download. Okay, then also and then LAN. Okay, this is also LAN. Next, keyboard mouse camera driver. Okay, click to download and you can download. Installation same job, it is I will show you. Okay, and then chipset. So chipset, install this one, atl manage engine, like that. Okay, then this is audio driver, click to download and all. So if any facing any issue when you install and download, so please comment me, I will reply revert you as soon as possible.